tried to zoom my camera farther, but that was a little red-headed woodpecker on my fence, and hope y'all can make it out. I'm having to take this video right on the window sash. That looks like maybe a half-grown bunny. He or she definitely doesn't look full-grown like the other rabbit that I filmed the other night. Wonder if he's one of the bunnies that hopped out from the nest. It may have been possibly the same bunny that baby bunny that I videoed that day. I'm just speculating. That might be one of the baby bunnies that darted right out of that hole in my yard. Be a peace of mind to know at least some of the baby rabbits that I am obliviously intruded are okay.